Learning the French months of the year. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the months of the year in French. This lesson will not only expand your vocabulary, but also help you in making plans, understanding dates, and celebrating French culture. Let's start with January, which is Janvier in French, pronounced Janvier. It's the start of a new year, a time for new beginnings. February is Février, pronounced février. It's a month known for love and celebration, especially with Valentine's Day. March, or Mars in French, is pronounced just like the planet Mars. It signals the arrival of spring in many parts of the world. Avril, meaning April, is said as avril. It's often associated with spring showers and the blooming of flowers. May in French is May, pronounced like the English word mai. It's a month of blossoming and growth. June, or juin in French, is pronounced juin. It marks the beginning of summer and warmer days. July is juillet, said as juillet. It's a time for summer holidays and enjoying the sun. August in French is août, which you pronounce oot, like the sound in boot. It's often the peak of summer. September, or September, is pronounced septembre. It signifies the transition to autumn and back to school. October in French is octobre, said as octobre. It's a month known for beautiful autumn colors and Halloween celebrations. Novembre, meaning November, is pronounced novembre. It's a time for cozy moments as the weather gets colder. And finally, December is décembre, said as décembre. It's a festive month, celebrating the end of the year and holiday season. There you have it, the 12 months of the year in French. Practice them, and soon you'll find it easy to discuss dates and plan events in French. Keep learning and exploring.